been here helping to bring families and friends closer together, to enjoy laughter, smiles, and create new memories. As our drones take to the sky to illuminate the night, take a moment and look to those you're here with. Remember why you're here. Remember what it's like to be a kid again. All 300 drones are almost information to create dazzling, illuminated images in the night sky. This year, America celebrates its 250th anniversary. Of course we are here to reflect on memories and Kennywood's history, but tonight the show will reflect on America's history as well. Pittsburgh played a pivotal role in the founding of our nation, and we are proud to honor our country with a special presentation of Light of the Night, an all-American nighttime drone spectacular. It all started in 1818. A tree-filled farm overlooking the Monongahela River became a popular picnic spot for locals during the Civil War. The land belonged to the Kenny family, and the picnic park quickly became known as Kenny's Grove. Thrill rides and drone shows may not have been around at that time, but families still made plenty of memories, having picnics in the grove and enjoying the beautiful landscape. As streetcars and trolleys became common in Pittsburgh, one stop on the line was right here, Kenny's Grove. After decades of owning Kenny's Grove, the Kenny family leased the land to the Monongahela Street Railway Company in 1898. This is the official opening year, as it went from a simple picnic park to one of the country's first amusement parks. As a homage to the Kenny family, the park was now officially named Kennywood. Boats on the lagoon, dancing in the dance hall, or riding on the merry-go-round. Some of the earliest photographs of the park are from these early years. It is quite amazing to look back on these old photos to see so many people enjoying the same park we all are enjoying today. And now the drones will take us through all the modern memories of Kennywood. As you watch the dazzling images come to life, remember the first time you experienced that ride, that attraction, that character, or that event, and make it a memory of our time here tonight. the summer, let us now reflect on how we got here. From Paul Revere's Ride to the signing of the Declaration of Independence, tonight we celebrate America's 250th anniversary.
That's pretty cool.
Pittsburgh home, and all of our neighbors coming to Kennywood year after year is what keeps us moving forward. And we want to be a place for Pittsburghers and visitors alike to create wonderful memories together. As you leave the park tonight, take a moment to remember all of the memories you and your loved ones created today. We hope you enjoyed Light Up the Night, and we can't wait to see you again when you return to Kennywood to make even more memories. And as always, night night.